Now, student class 10th, I am explaining you the certain examples, that is experimental examples related to resonance. Clear? Uh, these examples many times they have asked in the board. This one they have asked many times in the board. Now listen. The first one you are saying that there are two A and B, two tuning forks are there. What it is? It is a tuning fork. A is kept on a sound box, B is kept on a sound box. These two are hollow sound box whose open ends are towards each other. Clear? And they are separated by a small distance. Clear? Now in this there is very simple demonstration. It is they set tuning fork A with the frequency, vibrating frequency of N. They just start given certain energy to tuning fork A and it starts with the frequency of N. Now after some times what happens, that energy is being transferred to the hollow area of the box, and certainly what they will notice, tuning fork B also starts vibrating. Clear? Now what happens, why it starts vibrating? Because the vibrating tuning fork produces forced vibration in the air column. This is the sound box. In this, forced vibration is created. These vibrations are larger in amplitude. Clear? Because of it has a larger surface area, so that vibrations are being transferred to tuning fork B by the air column, and tuning fork B also starts vibrating. Since these frequency, because of its natural frequency, now a situation comes when both the tuning fork starts vibrating. That is called resonance, because the natural frequency matches with the force vibrations. Clear? Created by the force vibration, frequency created by the force vibration and the natural frequency. Clear? They starts vibrating and a loud sound is heard. Clear? With the increasing amplitude. Clear? This is all about first example. In the second example, there are four pendulum are there. Four pendulum are there: A, B, D, and C. C and D are on either side of B. The length of A and B are equal. C is shorter and length of D is larger. Now see, you will see what happens. These all are being hanged with the elastic support. What happens? This pendulum is get disturbed. They give certain energy to this pendulum and it starts vibrating. When it starts vibrating, what it notice, the energy being transferred to this, because due to the equal length their frequency, natural frequency is same. So as soon as A starts vibrating, the energy is transferred to B and B also starts vibrating. It starts vibrating with a smaller amplitude, and certain what happens, its amplitude becomes equal to the amplitude of A. And again what happens, A starts decreasing, B increasing. This goes on simultaneously. Clear? Why it goes? Because a natural frequency of both the pendulum becomes equal. Now what happens to C and D? The energy is given only to this. After some time, this and this also vibrates. This vibrates with a smaller amplitude because of its less frequency. Clear? This also vibrates with a smaller amplitude because of its higher frequency. It does not matches with the frequency of A, whereas they are of same length and same frequency, so they gone in the resonance condition. Clear? The A and B go in the resonance condition. If we talk about C and D, it also vibrates, but the amplitude is different because of different frequency. Clear? Now, the next one. Here you will see a test tube A and a vessel B, which is being connected with a tube. Clear? The water can be transferred from here to maintain the level. Here is the tuning fork. In this experiment, they have taken the tuning fork, which vibrating tuning fork, just put above a test tube. The vibrational energy is being given to the this test tube, and what happens, the frequency of the air column, this is the air column in the test tube, is different, and the natural frequency, slowly what happens if you make the level of water down, a situation comes, the frequency of this becomes equal to the frequency of air column when the length becomes 3 times its original length of the air column. Suppose this is the initial length, and when water level goes down, when this length becomes 3 times, then the frequency of this tuning fork becomes equal to the frequency of air column, and a loud sound is heard. Why loud sound is heard? Because of it goes in the resonance condition. When this length becomes 3 times, then the frequency of tuning fork becomes equal to the frequency of air column. This vessel is just to maintain the level of water. If you want to take out the water from here, so just for the maintenance of water level in the test tube A. Clear? Next is resonance in machine parts. See, generally what happens when the vehicle is driven, the piston of the engine makes to and fro motion inside the engine. Now what happens, to and fro motion, and there is a frequency of that frequency is being communicated to the rest of the part of the vehicle. Now generally it is possible, in a certain speed some parts of the vehicle have natural frequency also, and the vibration of equal to the frequency of the to and fro motion of the piston. At this stage, if the part, when the natural frequency of that part becomes equal to the natural frequency of the piston, if the part is not tightly fixed, it fall down. Clear? It fall down. So to just to that undisturbed, so that the part should not be undisturbed, we have to change the speed, or the part should be tightly fixed in the moving part. And generally what happens when it is loosely that part is loosely fixed, not tightly fixed, then you will see a noise sound or rattling sound will be there. And if when it matches with the frequency of that piston, then part will be fallen down on the roads. Clear? Resonance in bridge. Now what happens when the troops that crosses a suspension bridge, the soldiers, they are asked to break their steps. That suspension bridge is there, they have to ask the break their steps, because what happens when the soldiers march in steps, each soldier exerts the pressure on the bridge. Now if the natural frequency of the bridge becomes equal to the frequency of the troop, then there may be possibility that due to larger amplitude of resonance, the bridge will collapse. So they are asked to break the steps. Resonance in radio and TV receivers. Now see, these are the electromagnetic vibrations. Clear? They have their different frequencies. Now what happens whenever the electromagnetic vibrations are being transferred, they have the receivers and the transmitter. When the frequency, which can be changed by varying the, if you want to change the frequency, then there is an electronic component in it, so you will change the value of those frequency. And a situation comes when the value has been changed, a situation comes, the frequency of the upcoming signal and the channel which we want, the frequency matches, and it is being transferred, rest of the frequency being left out, because condition of resonance occurs, the frequency which we want and the frequency of which are coming, those matches, and we get the channel on our TV or radio. Clear? Thank you.